I bought some stuff to get Wi-Fi in the shed, so I'm gonna try to get that installed over lunch. There's room for another Ethernet connection, and all I have to do is fish the cable from the modem router to the attic, and then I can string it across and try to get it to this side of the house with the shed. To do this, I'm using a power over Ethernet adapter and then like a 50-foot long Ethernet cable. And then I have a wireless access point that I'm gonna try to mount to the side of the house, and that should give me Wi-Fi, in theory. If you like cable management, you're not gonna like what I just did in there. Okay, got everything set up, so let's see if we have Wi-Fi. Okay, a couple things I'm interested in here. I want to figure out if I can get on Wi-Fi with my work laptop, and I'll try the iPad as well. Okay, so that one should be logging in. All right, so on shed Wi-Fi with both now. Let's go and watch a cooking video, huh? So that's working just fine, instantly popped up. Okay. All right, well, both seem to work. I'm pretty excited about that. Not too hard to set up. The access point is called the Swiss Army Knife by UniFi, I think is the brand. And then just a power over Ethernet adapter and a long cable. Pretty short video. Just want to thank you guys for watching.